This is our factory. Now I'm in the entrance of the factory. I will show you around our factory. This is our entrance. And here is our assembly line. Our company is here. This is our assembly for the solar generator. This is our assembly line for the solar related products. The solar light tower. This solar design. And this is the assembly line for solar sophisticated power. Here is a parts that replace the waterproof cover for the trailer that after-sale service for you. And I will take you to the trailer that we're going to assemble today. You can see more of our trailers is assembly now. Here is the assembly of the panels. We take one of the sample of your orders here. So we're going to start testing the work here. You can see this is the same design here, like this one. And on the bottom, on the back side of this, there's a cover, so the water will not go inside. Waterproof and dustproof. Dustproof plastic. Okay, this is for the back, and this is for the front. And here, okay.